Use window UT4 Mathematics Word window UT4 Mathematics Editing OBS third UT4 Mathematics Word window New line Welcome System Tray Overflow window Pane Canon IJ Network Scanner Select UT4 Mathematics Word window UT4 Welcome dear students. Today we will go through a detailed step-by-step explanation of each question from your Mathematics UT4 practice sheet brought to you by Intuition, your trusted home tutor in quality education. This worksheet covers important concepts such as unit conversion, symmetry, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and pattern recognition. At Tuition, we believe in breaking down each concept into simple, understandable steps, ensuring that learning is both effective and engaging. I will guide you through each problem with clear explanations, helping you understand the logic and reasoning behind the solutions. By the end of this session, you will gain confidence in solving similar problems on your own. Let's begin learning with curiosity and enthusiasm. Mathematics UT4 Practice Sheet. Fill in the blanks. A road is 6 kilometers long. The length of the same road in meters is solution. Conversion rule: 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. Calculation: 6 kilometers times 1000 is equal to 6000 meters. Final answer: 6000 meters. 745 times 819 equals 819 times how much? Solution. Property used: commutative property of multiplication. Explanation: according to this property, the order of multiplication does not change the product. Answer: 745. If a chair has 4 legs, then there are how many legs in 7 chairs? Solution: understanding the problem, each chair has 4 legs. Calculation: 7 chairs times 4 legs is equal to 28 legs. Final answer: 28. A shape is said to be if one half of the shape is exactly the same as the other. Solution concept: a shape that can be divided into 2 identical halves is called symmetrical. Final answer: symmetrical. A circle has how many lines of symmetry? Solution concept: a line of symmetry divides a shape into 2 equal halves. Fact: the circle has infinite lines of symmetry because it can be folded along any diameter. Final answer: many infinite. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Solution. Conversion rule: 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Final answer: 10 millimeters. What unit is equal to 1000 when converted to 1 kilogram? Solution concept: 1000 grams G make up 1 kilogram kg. Final answer: G. The number to be multiplied is called the solution. Concept: in multiplication, the number being multiplied is called the multiplicand. Final answer: multiplicand. 734 times 1 is equal to how much? Solution. Property used multiplicative identity. Any number multiplied by 1 remains the same. Final answer 734. The height of a building can be measured in solution. Concept. The standard unit to measure height is meters. Final answer m meters. Do as directed. Use the correct units. Length of the sari is measures in unit used for measuring length meters m. Answer n. Quantity of water in a glass is measured in unit used for measuring liquid volume liters L or milliliters ml. Answer ml. Weight of an orange is measured in unit used for measuring small weights grams g. Answer g. Distance between two cities unit used for long distances kilometers kilometer. Answer kilometer. Convert the following 5,423 meters into kilometer and m. Conversion rule. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Step 1. Divide 5423 by 1000. Quotient is equal to 5 kilometers. Remainder is equal to 423 meters. Final answer 5 kilometers 423 meters. 276 centimeters into m and cm. Conversion rule. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Step 1. Divide 276 by 100. Quotient is equal to 2 meters. Remainder is equal to 76 centimeters. Final answer 2 meters 76 centimeters. 9 kilograms into g. Conversion rule. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g. Calculation. 9 times 1000 equals 9000 g. Final answer 9000 g. 5 centimeters into m. Conversion rule. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Calculation. 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.05 m. Final answer 0.05 m. 1200 meters into cm. Conversion rule. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Calculation. 1200 times 100 equals 1,20,000 cm. Final answer 1,20,000 centimeters. Add the following 25 kilograms 118 g plus 4 kilograms 289 g. Step 1. Add kg. 25 plus 4 equals 29 kg. Step 2. Add g. 118 plus 289 equals 407 g. Final answer 29 kilograms 407 g. 17 meters 534 centimeters plus 4 meters 201 centimeters. Step 1. Convert cm to m. 534 centimeters equals 5 meters 34 centimeters. Step 2. Add meters. 17 plus 5 plus 4 equals 26 m. Step 3. Add cm. 34 plus 201 equals 235 cm. Convert cm to 135 centimeters equals to meters 35 centimeters. Final answer 28 meters 35 centimeters 67 kilometers 250 meters plus 97 kilometers 840 meters. Step 1 at kilometer 67 plus 97 equals 164 kilometer. Step 2 at m 250 plus 840 equals 1090 m. Convert meters 1090 meters equals 1 kilometer 90 meters. Final answer 165 kilometers 90 meters 3. Word problems. A car manufacturing company sells 9 cars every day. How many cars does it sell in 30 days? Step 1. Identify the given values. Cars per day is equal to 9. Days is equal to 30. Step to multiply 9 times 30 equals 270. Final answer 270 cars. Tanya's bag is 45 kilograms 750 g and Raghav's bag is 37 kilograms 490 g. Who has a heavier bag and by how much? Step 1. Subtract 45 kilograms 750 g 37 kilograms 490 g. Breakdown 750 g 490 g is equal to 260 g. 45 kilograms to 37 kilograms is equal to 8 kilograms. Final answer Tanya's bag is heavier by 8 kilograms 260 g. Arun uses ribbons of different lengths. Find the total length. Step 1. Add lengths to meters 45 centimeters plus 7 meters 32 centimeters plus 3 meters 15 centimeters. Convert cm to m. 45 plus 32 plus 15 equals 92 cm. Convert 92 centimeters equals 0 meters 92 centimeters. Final answer 12 meters 92 centimeters. This provides a clear structured explanation for each question. Let me know if you need further clarifications. OBS 30